Hey, what's going on? YouTube, my family, and my friends. Sorry, so check this out. I want to print this image out. What I'm using is sublimation paper. Hold on, let me grab it right here. What I buy is a roll of sublimation paper. It's usually 13 inches by 300 feet. You know, I pay roughly about $35–40 for this. You know what I mean? Since it's 13 inches in width and my design is 25.5 or 25.3, I need 2 of these. So it's 25.3 by 22.6. I need 2 of these to be 13 inches because 13 plus 13 is 26. So 13 plus 13, image will be 26, and it will be 23 inches in length. So 23 inches in length. As you can see right here, if I highlight the whole design, I hit File, I hit Print, I hit Print Preview. This design is already set up to be cut out in 2 13 by 23 inch sheets. Alright, let me show y'all how I did that. So, you'll highlight your design in CorelDraw. I'm not quite sure how it works in Photoshop or how it works in Illustrator or how it works in any other program. I know how it works in Corel. So when I'm in Corel, I highlight my whole entire design. I hit File, Print. It brings up my print settings. The printer that I'm using is an Epson Workforce 7620 series. Alright? Now on this screen, it brings up your printer. It brings up your page, whether it's portrait or landscape. It shows you your print range, number of copies, your print style, all of that. So let's go to preferences. And once you're inside preferences, you want to change the paper source only if you're using an Epson wide format printer that accepts paper through the rear feed slot. So we'll change the paper source to rear feed slot. The document size. We have all of these document sizes in here, from A4 to letter to legal to 11 by 17 to, we even got the super B in here, the 13 by 19. But what we want to do is go all the way down to the bottom and switch it to user defined. Once you're at the user defined paper size, you want to change the paper width, which I already have it. Once you change this to 13, it defaults to 12.95 inches. The paper height, I know automatically I need 23 inches. So I set it at 23 inches. It will change depending on what you're printing out. You know, how long you need your paper. So every time you go and print a different graphic, this will change and you will have to set it up. Alright? Next, I leave it on plain paper, bright white paper. I have tried other settings, but what works best for me is plain paper, bright white paper. The quality, you have standard, vivid, high, and then more settings. I click on more settings, and usually the bar is down here close to speed. I slide it to quality and hit OK. Next, what I do is I go up here to more options. I don't change the document size. I don't change the output paper. What I do is I switch it from automatic for the color correction. I switch it from automatic to custom, and then I click on advanced. Once you're in advanced, you have options. You have color management, you have fixed photo, you have